Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, welcome to Corpbiz. My name is Pankaj Tyagi, and in this video we will talk about DIR 12 form filing. Companies incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 are mandated to file DIR 12 form on the official portal of MCA. The form is filed to notify the Registrar of Companies about the detail relating to the change, appointment or resignation of directors and other officials. The filing of DIR 12 should be done within 30 days of such subject matters. Rule 8, 15, 18 of Companies Appointment Qualification of Director Rules 2014, Section 71, 68, 170 of Companies Act 2013 and Rule 17 of Companies Incorporation Rules laid out the condition regarding such subject matters. Now question arises, when company is required to file the DIR 12 form. The DIR 12 form is required to be filed in circumstances like the appointment of director, resignation of directors or the change of directors designations. You can file the DIR 12 form with different event dates like date of change in designation, date of appointment, date of cessation, date of change in designations only if such dates are within 30 days of the filing date. If any of these dates falls beyond the sent timeline, that is 30 days, then the separate form needs to be filed by applicant for every such event date. Now let's understand the requirement of filing DIR 12 form through an example. Suppose Director A is appointed on 2nd July, Director B is appointed on 12th of July and Director C ceases to serve the company with effect from 19th of July. In such a case, the particular of all such changes can be filed through the DIR 12 forms only if the form is filed on or before 1st August, as all events fall within 30 days. But if the company files the DIR 12 form on 5th August, then the separate DIR 12 form should be filed in respect of the Director A. Another thing that you need to keep in mind that for filing of particular of 2 or more events relating to the same official, you are mandated to file separate DIR 12 form. It is recommended that you file the DIR form in chronological order of event. Please keep in mind that the person acting as a director in more than 20 company doesn't qualify for the post of directorships in private limited company. The same is valid for candidates serving more than 10 public company in case of public limited company. The company is required to file a separate DIR 12 form in the case where the number of directors is higher than 15. Now let's discuss the procedure for filing DIR 12 form. First, download the e-form, that is DIR 12 form, from the MCA website. Enter company identification numbers and tap on the pre-fill option. Enter managing directors numbers and particulars. Enter contact numbers and detail of the company's managers, CFOs and secretary. Next, attach documents and then tap on the submit button. Lastly, pay the application fees and note down the service request number for future reference. Now let's move to the documentation part and explore attachment to be affixed with the DIR 12 form. Appointment letter of the directors, CS, managers, CFO, CEO. Declaration form, directors MD in case the appointment of director, manager, CS, CFO, CEO. Interest in any other company of director in the event the number of companies enter is more than 1. Declaration form, the first direction in form INC 9 in case of new company. In case of resignation, you need to provide the document like resignation notice in case of cessation of director or other key officials such as company secretary, CEO, CFO. Proof with respect to cessation in case of cessation of director or other key officials such as company secretary, CEO, CFO. Please remember that in case of delay filing of DIR 12 form, the company can be subjected to significant monetary penalty that could goes up to as high as 12 times of the standard fees. That's all about the DIR 12 form. Please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you.